Right, started. Okay, welcome to Commissioner Head's YouTube channel. This is how to unbox. You do the first cut.
Yeah, I do the first cut.
It's a speed. Keep that.
That's the tire, yeah.
And then this thing here is the gear oil, which goes in the end of the chamber, wherever that goes. I don't know because I haven't seen this bike. My first time also.
Okay. That's the tire, yeah.
That's the graphics.
So now you're not going to use.
Is that little clip? That's squishing the oil pipe for the gearbox.
Okay.
So when you travel with it or you put it on the side, it's closed. That's squishing the oil pipe for the gearbox.
Okay.
So when you travel with it or you put it on the side,
Yeah.
it's completely open. Always make sure no one's going to close it, otherwise you will
That's
need a
for
brand
the
new. It's
gear?
to stop the oil.
Oil. Here it is.
Is it rubber? Rubber one.
Little knot to knock it through. Seats moved.
Seats moved.
Okay.
Yeah. And should have taken the back here. Okay. Well, do
Bibili natin agad itong ano niya. Tadi. Sakto lang oh.
Pagkaganit niya ba?
Asa na yun? So, ano yung bolt dito?
how many bolts is there? Is it 3 or 2?
Three. So I got it.
It looks the same, right?
Almost the same.
Does it feel like that? So for the video, when I that's the right one. You want it to be.
Sakto lang oh. All the way through.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
And then we put this down.
Okay. Right.
Perfect position. Down. Oh, I say down still, okay?
Ano yung bolt dito?
How many bolts is there? Is it 3 or 2?
Three.
Commissioner Ed. We're at his house. Where is the line? Make it better. And just see, let's get the handlebars done.
Okay.
Turn it on. We get loads of things going here. Now, when it says wait, then you press that button there. I don't know how to do this because I've never sport. It says wait, it's because your kickstand is down. So now we have to press the button. Okay.
Okay. So, okay.
Full bars? Full bars?
Seven full speed.
Okay. The power of this.
Darling, full throttle.
Yeah, let's see full throttle already.
No, there's got to be something out then. Hold on, wait.
Now you can see, huh?
Highest. Is that better? Now,
Aggressive.
so let's just.
Aggressive, yeah. So what mode is it? Sport?
Yeah, but there's got to be another.
One.
What on sport? Very slow.
Yeah, but even on sport, it's.
Alright.
Go!
Done.
Wow! Congratulations.
So that's the fastest, right?
I don't know.
Try the 1 and 2.